Hey, what's up you guys, it is here, I hope that you are doing well, and today I'll talk about how to start your affiliate marketing business in 2022. Now, I have been making money with affiliate marketing since 2018. I have been promoting this system, the Cashflow 2.0. These are the total sales $76,136. So, and right now guys, I want to talk about this program. So this is the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, the affiliate stacking ecosystem. And so I bought the 3-day business challenge to see if I can improve my strategies and techniques with this business model to earn more money online. And so this is the first lesson, or the first day. I have been taking some notes. So check this out. Over 10,000 members have taken the first version of the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. And I want to talk about a little bit why I started an affiliate marketing business. Well, that is because I want time and financial freedom, because I know that as a chemical engineer, I can go to find a job in a factory or in an office, right? But I don't want to stay in that place 9 to 5 and work for someone else, right? So that is the reason, because I want to teach these strategies and tactics so more people can earn money online and don't depend from one job. So this is Jonathan Montoya, and he teaches the affiliate stacking ecosystem, how to promote high ticket commissions. And the most important thing about the first lesson is that you need to build your email list, right? And this is going to be, I'm going to record the whole process of this system, guys, so you can know what it's all about. And also I'm going to promote the Freedom Breakthrough Challenge. And as you can see, I have 1 referral and 3 clicks. This is the dashboard of the Freedom Breakthrough affiliate system. I need to upload my forms, right? I'm going to earn 50% commission. Here I am. Here, if I click here, these are my links and the frequently asked questions. So I'm going to promote this program to help people, because I know that this information can help many people to make money online. That being said, guys, if you like this information, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. And if you want to get access to a free ebook, you can click the link in the description and I will send that ebook to your email. So that being said, stay strong. Talk to you soon.